Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, checking back in on gold, and bulls showing up today. It's looking like this candlestick on Stocktwits.com is factoring in yesterday's action as well, as we dip down just above 1200. But what it is dictating and telling us is the same, that the bulls bought the dip long, lower wick. We held that 100-day moving average support May 27th, held it again today, bulls buying that dip, bullish reversal candlestick, and we're looking at key resistance of 1220. If we can turn that into support and continue higher tomorrow, we will confirm the bullish reversal candlestick, and we'll be looking up at the next resistance, 1234.60. I like using investing.com for gold, different time frames. This is the hourly chart, and I drew this hourly chart uptrend the first thing this morning before this candlestick had formed, so I knew where to be looking for support. We bounced directly off of that and continued to higher highs. So we saw a bearish reversal doji form towards the end of the day on this hourly chart, which had I set out a warning to message to members, potentially protect profits in NUGT, which we were playing obviously with this little uptrend, and seeing the confirmation of that pullback. And as long as this uptrend support is holding, I'm not going to be looking for dust entry, but we are looking for dust entry on this bounce. I'm anticipating it to be a short-term bounce, and for it to give us a nice entry for continued pullback. So looking at the 4-hour chart for gold, we can see it is currently just a short-term bounce, and we would really have to get above 1234 to prove that this is anything more than that for the bulls. So we have our clear resistance to keep an eye on, uptrend line on the hourly chart, and I update all the key support and resistance levels each morning for members before we go live at 9 a.m. So the weekly chart for gold, we've got a bullish reversal candlestick forming here as well, but obviously 3 trading days left to go this week. Look at this 1210 key support. How many candlesticks have pulled back and bounced off of it since that breakout? I'm counting 6 candlesticks so far, so that's a very key important level to hold of 1210. We did have that bearish MACD cross, and it is following through, but if this candlestick were to close right here, we would look for continuation for the bulls next week. So it's an interesting position we currently find ourselves in. NUGT seeing some nice upside today, potentially seeing more tomorrow. All depends on my view. My view will depend on this uptrend line here on the hourly chart. So I appreciate you watching. Hope you come check out the chat room for free, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.